Welcome to Market Class. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of momentum investing, a systematic, rules-based approach that has helped investors across the globe generate consistent returns. This course is specifically designed for Indian stock markets, using examples from NSE and BSE, real Indian companies, and scenarios that you'll encounter as an Indian investor, whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced trader looking for a systematic framework. This course will transform how you approach investing. Get ready to learn a strategy that works with market trends, not against them. Let's begin your journey to mastering momentum investing. In this comprehensive course, you'll master 5 critical areas. First, you'll understand the momentum framework, the 3-pillar system that forms the foundation of successful momentum investing. Second, you'll dive deep into market psychology to understand why trends persist and how human behavior creates predictable patterns. Third, you'll learn to build systematic portfolios using equal weighting, proper stock selection, and disciplined rebalancing. Fourth, you'll master risk management techniques to protect your capital during drawdowns and market volatility. Finally, you'll study real case studies from the Indian market. Both spectacular winners like Bajaj Finance and Titan, and devastating losers like Yes Bank and Vodafone Idea. This course is approximately 55 to 60 minutes long, divided into 8 comprehensive modules. By the end, you'll have a complete system you can implement immediately. Before we begin, here's an important disclaimer. This course is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. Stock market investing involves substantial risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. You could lose some or all of your invested capital. Always consult with SEBI-registered investment advisors before making any investment decisions. Additionally, ensure you comply with all Indian tax regulations and reporting requirements. Every investor's financial situation, risk tolerance, and goals are different. What works for one person may not work for another. This course teaches you a systematic approach, but you must adapt it to your personal circumstances. Trade responsibly, invest only what you can afford to lose, and never invest borrowed money in the stock market. This course is designed for 4 types of learners. First, new investors who are just starting their stock market journey and want a structured, systematic approach rather than relying on tips and rumors. If you're tired of feeling confused about which stocks to buy or when to sell, this course is for you. Second, experienced traders who want to move from emotional gut-based decisions to a disciplined, rules-based system. If you have been trading for years but haven't achieved consistent results, momentum investing might be the missing piece. Third, students of market psychology who want to understand why prices move and how human behavior creates trends. And fourth, DIY investors who manage their own portfolios and want to build long-term wealth without spending hours daily on research. If you fall into any of these categories, you're in the right place. To get the maximum value from this course, follow these 5 guidelines. First, take notes actively. Don't just watch passively. Write down key concepts, formulas, and examples. Your notes will be your reference guide when you start implementing. Second, pause and reflect. Don't rush through the material. When you learn a new concept, pause the video and think about how it applies to your current portfolio or past investment decisions. Third, apply to your portfolio, but start small. Once you understand the concepts, practice with a small amount of capital before committing large sums. Fourth, practice with real data. Use NSE or BSE tools, download historical stock prices, and practice calculating momentum scores. Theory without practice is useless. Finally, review monthly. Momentum investing requires monthly discipline. So set a calendar reminder and stick to your review schedule. Remember this key principle: knowledge plus action equals results. Let's get started.